Chainlink is projected to increase 3.2% by May 25, Gov Capital Collector notes. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. Chainlink has advanced 2.7% over the past day and is trading near the $9.56 mark. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Traders Union sees the price pulling back to $9.39 by tomorrow, a potential drop of 1.7%. Coin Codex projects a slide down to $9.51 for Chainlink, implying a loss of 0.4%. 30 Rates points out the chance of reaching $9.69, a projected gain of 1.4%. A separate projection from Gov Capital Collector suggests Chainlink could move toward $9.86, roughly 3.2% higher than now. To conclude, CoinDataFlow projects the price to hit $10.11 by May 25, a gain of 5.8%. This is the top return forecast we've seen. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. Summing up the forecast from all analysts, here's what we've got. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decrease of 1.7% and a gain of 5.8%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that CoinDataFlow expects the top return with 5.8% jump in value by May 25. To sum it up, you could receive between $4 and $58 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast takes the lead, holding a 90% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. The combined forecasts position Chainlink at nearly $9.71. Let's crack this open. The consensus projection points to a 1.7% gain in price by tomorrow. That shift indicates your capital could also experience a 1.7% rise. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $17 in gain. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 82.4%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. Traders Union forecasts Chainlink moving lower. Likewise, CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. Similarly, 30 Rates expects Chainlink to head lower. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector emphasizes selling pressure dominating. A bullish track is suggested by CoinDataFlow. The consensus picture shows Chainlink with no significant direction emerging. In total, 80% of analyst opinions project Chainlink heading lower. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. In the end, the trading session closed at $9.56. 4 out of 5 forecasts pointed the right way. The prediction with the highest precision was made by Crypto Predictions. Now let's sort it out clearly. Yesterday's price action included 4 forecasts within the limits. As far as AOI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but Traders Union stood out with 4.3%. And now, see how all forecasts performed side by side. Meanwhile, CoinLore had a probability score of 83.3% in accuracy and an ROI reaching 1%. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Chainlink and a few selected assets. Chainlink doesn't lead in this forecast as Near stands highest with 3.4%. This comparison includes Chainlink and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already open on my website. That's it for today. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's forecasts. Bye for now.